careful with the marker, Aiden.
He likes lemon. Can I have brown? Can I have
Go ahead, just help yourself with any of the pens.
Can I have red?
Yeah, go ahead.
I'll get it.
Go ahead, get it.
That's yellow. There's yellow in here.
Oh, this is a green. Here, use. See that bag over there, the smaller one? No, there. No, right there. Yeah, that one. Use all those pens in there.
Yeah, because I thought I needed a yellow for the riddle.
Wait, he uses green though.
No.
Markers are everywhere.
Markers are everywhere. Just don't get the markers everywhere. Just hold on to me then, okay? I can put you down. No. Hold on a minute. 1, 2, 3. You get first. You get first.